Hey friends, welcome to our channel, Start Up Yourself. We really hope you all are doing fine. Before we start our video, we believe there are some new viewers watching our channel for the first time. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now and you'll be kept updated regarding our new interesting and informative videos. Friends, have you ever felt the words you speak aren't much appreciated by others, or they contradict your personality, or they pose no effect on others? For example, they are obeyed or they are not. Do tell us in the comments section if you feel any such difficulties, because today we'll be talking on that stuff. And to make this video effective for you, try to watch until the end. Believe us, you won't regret investing your time here. It'll be worth it. Well, every person has different capabilities, strengths, and weaknesses in them, which most of them don't know, but they have them. They don't know what they're capable of. They don't know how to strengthen them when feeling weak. They don't know what makes them weak and how to encounter it. And friends, when this all happens with a person, it means that the person is not even aware of himself, and he doesn't know anything about his personality, about how he should behave with others, and how he or she has to perform in front of others. They don't know what to speak or when to speak. And sometimes they are recognized as losers in the society, just because what they do encounters what they speak. People stop following them, and these kinds of people are never remembered. They are forgotten. And friends, when someone gets to know themselves, they get to know what makes them bold, brave, what gives them ultimate strength to face anything. Then that person perfectly knows how to make others follow them, follow their sayings, and that kind of person is always remembered and followed in the history. That is the person a society is always proud of. We'll be telling you some strengths your words gain when you get to know yourself, and after that, we'll be telling you some ways of getting to know yourself. First, let's begin with the strengths. You are recognized as a wiser person in society. Others accept what you say and they act upon it. Your words are more trusted by the public, and they believe in you even more than you believe in yourself. You gain public support and strength by becoming their voice. When you get to know yourself, your every spoken word has a meaning for others and is obeyed and followed. And yeah, we all know no one wishes that his or her words are going in vain and no one is following them. So it's a big treat for anyone to have themselves followed. You can build up a great fan following. Not a big deal. Your words are marked in the history to be used as quotations in the future. Yep, you can even hope for this best, but first make your words count for others. You get a great respect in surroundings. People love to communicate with you, and they love to sit in your company. They love to have you as their friend. They stay loyal to you. We believe you all heard these correctly, and you all must be curious to know what are the tricks to achieve this greatness, after which you can become an uncrowned king for the society, or someone whom everyone loves. Well, first, speak accordingly to the incident. Don't just go for your own thesis. That might be wrong. Perform your actions wisely. Justify first, then perform. Remember, once you perform the task without justifying it, it can't be justified afterwards. Consult experienced people before performing anything. It would really help you in doing any task perfectly. If you feel your words are going meaningless, try to change them, rephrase them. If your tone is going ineffective, change it. Adopt something that the public loves. Get to know yourselves by knowing your strengths and weaknesses. Make your weaknesses your strengths, or try best to do so. Make yourself adjustable to any condition. Do the right thing and fear no man. Speak confidently. Try to be active in public support tasks. Do what others want you to do, but do it your way, and do it in an interesting manner so the public would love it. We hope you guys got these points well, and now you're all quite familiar and well aware that what your stance should be in making your words strengthen. Do tell us in the comment section how helpful this information was for you, and we hope for a quite good feedback from our subscribers. And yeah, don't you forget to hit the thumbs up button just below, and we'll see you in the next video, friends.